How to use Chime for budgeting and expenses tracking. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the ways to track expenses and budgeting in your Chime. So I'm gonna show you the page where you could read about the articles or the statement that are provided by the Chime itself. So as you can see, to go ahead and use Chime for budgeting and expense tracking, you could follow the steps. Now, first thing, you could review your account statement regularly. So, a manual review of your account statement, whether paper or electronic, allow you to spot any fraudulent transactions and look at how much you spent. And likewise, you could also go ahead and organize your expenses into categories: rent or mortgage payment, utilities, groceries, transportation, healthcare, etc. You can also build a budget for your spending. So you could read about this, and likewise, you could scroll down, and right on this page, you'll be able to find tips and tricks in order to use Shine for budgeting and expenses tracking. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.